Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can uninstall ChatGPT app from your Android device. So guys, want to know how to do this? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step that you have to take now is to tap on your settings. So let me tap on my settings. Let me look for my settings right away. So guys can see my settings there. So let me tap on it. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written apps and notification. You can see it there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written app management. You can see there, that's the first option, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you're going to find all the apps in your phone. So what you have to do now is to look for ChatGPT app. So let me look for ChatGPT app already. So guys can see the ChatGPT app right there. So what you have to do now is to tap on it to open it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written uninstall. You can see it there in blue, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is being asked. Do you want to uninstall this app? What you have to do is to tap on OK. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys can see uninstalling. So guys, now you can see our ChatGPT app has been uninstalled. If you check here, you can't find the ChatGPT app again. You can see you can't find it right here. So guys, now this is how you can actually uninstall the ChatGPT app from your Android device, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the notification so that whenever I release new videos like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in my next upload. Bye bye, peace.